tsunami is a natural calamity and it is a very large, look into it, it is a very large and powerful wave that is caused by earthquakes. So because of the earthquakes that happened under the sea, not into the sea, under the sea. So when a tsunami is a tsunami is what? Now very large and powerful wave that is caused by earthquake under the sea, right? On 26 December 2004, right? And that tsunami, that where did it happen? It hit the Thailand. It hit Thailand and also parts of India. So parts of India means so Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is called as a part of the what? Part of the India. So where also it hit. Which one hit? Tsunami hit. And the Tamil Nadu coast also and the Tamil Nadu sea area. So what do we find out? We find out because of this tsunami hit into these are the places, right? So obviously many of the people have been died. Is not it?
Yes, sir.
So, and because of the tsunami, earthquake, or also landslide, what happened? Many means what people die as well as many of the things have been destroyed, right? So,
Yes,
but here we are going to get some of the stories of some people that how they experience, what they experience, right? Now, if you look into this particular part, so it gives us a kind of a question. Do you realize that we have a kind of a superstition or blind belief? What is that superstitions or blind belief? Do you understand the meaning of superstition?
no, sir.
That is called as a blind belief, right? Like we have a kind of a blind belief that if the cat crosses our way, then what happened? Something bad occur.
Sir, it,
Yeah, something bad occur. Is not it?
yes, sir.
Okay. Similar to that, we have a kind of a thought that what now animal right sense if something bad going to be happen. It's not animal gets the sense that if something bad is going to happen, right?
Yes,
So animal senses means what? If you might have seen that you might have seen that what now if somebody's death is going to happen, the dog barks the whole night. The dog barks the whole night, is not it? It is a
yes,
kind of a belief, right? So similar to that means as the tsunami was going coming, so that's why animal sense that and animal make some kind of a noise. Animal do some kind of a noise. Now, do you
right.
see the kind of a picture where means how the tsunami hits and even the all the property of the uh, public, right? All the
Yes,
property of the public, they all were floating here and there. Now, moving to the next one. The next one is called as what is the meaning of archipelago? Do you know the meaning of archipelago?
sir, a group of many islands.
Group of many islands and the surrounding sea, right? Is not it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you there? Hello. 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 What happened?
Sir,
Hello. What happened?
sir, it's cut from it.
You disconnected.
Yes, sir.
Why did you disconnect it?
I don't,
Don't know. Okay, okay, okay. No issue. Look into it. What does it say? I'll just connect it. Wait a minute. Yeah, I think you're getting some kind of okay. Hi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do we find out here? These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. So what do you mean by archipelago? The meaning of archipelago is indicating as a group of island, is not it? So a group of many
Yes,
islands and the surrounding sea are called as a archipelago, right? So Andaman and Nicobar island is nothing but a group of islands. So many islands have been placed in different part of it, right? Now if I am talking about the next one, what is that? Ignatius was the manager, right? So who is Ignatius? Who is Ignatius? It is one of the person, right, whose name is Ignatius, and who was the manager of a cooperative society, right, in Kachal, right. So Kachal is the name of the place, and here it is stated Ignatius was the means a manager of that cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke him up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Who felt earthquake? Means Ignatius' wife, who felt an earthquake, right? And Ignatius carefully took his television, right? Took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground. So put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Which one? Which one would not fall and break? Now that the television.
television.
Television. Then the
Yes,
family quickly went out of the house. Imagine that when you realize that it is going to become a earthquake, right? And your building is getting into shatter, right? Or shake. What do you feel? You get into the fear, right? So when the tremors stop, what do you mean by tremors? Tremors means called as a slight shake, slight shake or tremors, right? So when the tremors are shaking, right? While the tremors are stopped, they saw. What did they see? Now they saw the sea rising, right? So in the chaos and confusion, chaos means what? That's called as a confusion. The meaning of chaos is called as a means they do not know what they are going to do, right? So this is called as a chaos, complete disorder of or confusion, right? Here you can pronounce chaos, right? In the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands, right? Like of their mother's father and mother's brother, right? So mother's father and mother's brother, it means a grandfather and also means mother's brother, it means uncle. And quickly in the opposite direction. So they went into the opposite direction. He never saw them again, right? So his wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved, right? His wife also swept away. Means what happened? Now Ignatius' wife, Ignatius means what do you say that? Uh, wife's father and also wife's brother.
brother.
Yeah, so they all died. So only three children were left with Ignatius, right? Even Ignatius' wife also swept away. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
It's a very horrible situation, is not it? Like in front of your eyes, how your family is getting into death, right? So next is called as a Sanjeev. So we read about what? Ignatius. Yes, what? Mayank, do remember the story related to the character, right? So, next one is called as a Sanjeev. Who is a Sanjeev? Now, Sanjeev was a policeman, and what he is? A policeman who was serving in the Kachal Island of the Nicobar group of islands. He somehow managed to save himself. Who somehow managed to? Sanjeev, right? The policeman, his wife and his baby daughter from the means webs, right? He somehow saved whom? He somehow managed to save himself, his wife, and his baby daughter. Okay, so Sanjeev able to manage his wife and his daughter, but then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, right? But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, right? Wife of John means what? Another uh, man and his wife, right? So the guest house cook, right? So who was John, right? So John was nothing but the cook, right? So Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. Even Sanjeev also, but they were both swept away, right? So it means Sanjeev as well as the John. So they died. Her parents and 70. So after that, what next is called as a. So we understood about Ignatius. Then the second one is called as a Sanjeev. Now look into the third one that's called as a 13-year-old Meghna, right? Another character, Meghna, who was swept away, right, along with her parents and 77 other people. Imagine that. So 77 other people also means swept away with Meghna. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. So holding only that wood door, right? 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see Meghna. Who did not see relief helicopter?
The relief helicopter.
Yeah. So what is that relief helicopter? Now, relief helicopter that bring help to people during floods or earthquake or tsunami, right? So, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave. She means Meghna was brought to the shore by a wave. So one of the wave of the water, so that took Meghna to the near to the beach, and finally she was found walking on the seashore in a daze. Right. So means she was walking on the seashore in a daze. Right. So finally, daze means what? Dirty things were kept, and finally she reached who now Meghna was saved. Now we talk about Ignatius, we talk about Sanjeev, we talk about John, we talk about Meghna, right? So like that, many characters are there and who told their means stories. Now look into the next one. The next one is called as Almas Javed. Who was Almas Javed? He was a 10-year-old boy, right? Or you can say she was 10 years old, right? She was a student of what? Carmel Convent in Port Blair. So Carmel Convent is the name of the school, right? Located in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother, Rahila's home, was in Nankauri Island. So Nankauri is a what? Island. Her mother, Rahila, home was in Nankauri Island. The family had gone there. So, by the what the family means went there to do. Now, the family had gone there to
Celebrating
celebrate.
Christmas.
Yeah. So, where did they go? They go to means Carmel Convent in Port Blair, right? So, her mother Rahila's home was in Nankauri Island, right? So, they actually went to Nankauri Island. Why they did go to Nankauri Island? Because they wanted to celebrate Christmas there, right? So where did they go? Almas Javed and her father, mother and father, right? So went to Nankauri Island, right? Why did they go to Nankauri Island? To celebrate their Christmas. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now moving to the next one. That's called as when the tremors came. What do you mean by tremors? What is the meaning of tremors? Go ahead, tell.
Sir, the
Yeah, yeah. Tremors means shaking, right? So when the tremors came, or when this means earthquake or shaking occurs, right? They came early in the morning. Who came early in the morning? Means uh, uh, um, what is the name of that girl? Almas Javed's parents. Almas Javed. Are you listening to me? Almas Javed's
yes,
parents.
sir.
They came
Sir,
early.
but in book here is a girl and Tilly Smith.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Might be. But you can see that it is written what? When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping, right? Whose family was sleeping?
Alva Javed.
Yes. So Alma's father saw the sea water recede. Sea water recede means what? Now how the means water of the sea which is receding. Receding means what?
Rap.
Tell. What is the meaning of recede? The meaning of recede is called as a water of the sea going back, moving back, and getting reduced. Right? The water of the sea is getting reduced and going back. It means it gets a kind of a surprise. Like it seems like what something is taking water from the sea. Right? So Alma's father saw the sea water is going back from where it was. Right? He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. Right? It means this much water is there. Right? If you are seeing that, what, let me show you a kind of a picture here. If I'm saying that this is something called as a water, right, and if this water is going back, right, it means what? If it goes back, it will also come in a very fast, right? It gets reduced and it will come in a huge manner. So that's what he is stating here. He understood that the water would come quickly back with great force, and he woke everyone up. Who woke? Means Alma's father. He woke
Father.
everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. So he took his family members to means to a safer place. As they ran, as they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head
Yes.
by something, right? And he fell down. Whose grandfather? Now,
Alma.
Alma Javed grandfather. So was hit on the head by something and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. So finally, what happened? Alma Javed, the father and grandfather, right, was taken by the first giant. Giant means what? Giant means called as a monster, right? So Alma's mother, right, and also aunts, right, stood holding to the lips of a coconut tree, right? They were holding to a coconut tree and calling out to her a wave, right? Calling out to her means what? Calling to the Almas, right? Alma's mother and aunts stood holding to the living of a coconut tree and calling to Almaz. So at the same time, what happened? A wave, a big wave, right? Big wave means what? The strong water, right? That uprooted the tree. Uprooted means what? Taken away the tree, right? And they too were washed away, right? So Almaz saw a log of wood floating. So Almaz did see that what there was a log of wood that was floating in the on the water. So what did she do? She climbed onto it. Then she fainted. Fainted means getting unconscious, right? When she got unconscious, so when she woke up, what did she found? Or what did she find? Now she was in a where she was.
Hospital.
She was in a hospital. So which hospital she was in? She was in Komorta Hospital.
Kamarti.
Yeah, Kamortha, right? So, and from there she was brought to Port Blair. So, whom did she lose? Now she lost everyone: her grandfather, her father, her aunt, and as well as her mother. Right, all were washed away in that big waves of the water or tsunami. The little girl does not want to talk about that incident with anyone, right? And she is still traumatized. Traumatized means what? Now, greatly
Shock.
shocked and distressed. Am I clear? Understood?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll just ask you some of the questions given here, right? You simply answer this, right? If you know it, fine. If you don't know, then also fine, right? Uh, but try to give the answer to these questions. Yeah. Igneous lost his wife, two children, right? His father-in-law and his brother-in-law in tsunami. Is it correct or not?
No, sir, false.
Then what is the correct one?
He lost his wife, father-in-law, and brother-in-law only.
Igneous lost his wife and two children. Yeah, tell.
Not the right.
His father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. It is not true.
Sir, he lost his wife, father-in-law, and brother-in-law. These three, not the two children.
What is the question? Can you read it again?
Say whether the following two children, his
Well,
father-in-law, uh,
what
say
did
whether
you,
the following are true and false. Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. First, sir, false.
why false? Where
Sir,
did
he
you,
did not lost his two children.
did you see that? Igneous did not lose his wife, two children, his father-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Sure.
Yes, sir, sure. This
Igneous
sentence
was,
is false.
Igneous was the manager of a cooperative society in Katsal. His wife welcomed so and so, set up a table, put it back. When the tremor stopped, they saw the sea rising, so and so, their mothers, fathers, mothers, brothers, and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again.
Hmm.
Right? What did you find out? When the tremors stopped, they
Hmm.
saw, they saw, they saw the sea rising. In the chaos and confusion, what happened? Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father. Mother's father means grandfather, and
Yes, sir.
mother's brother, and quickly went into the opposite direction.
Hmm.
Igneous never saw them again.
Hmm.
Saw them again means they died.
Yes, sir.
His wife was also swept away.
Yes, sir.
Only the three other children means not his children, other children, right? Who came with him were saved. Am I clear? It means his whole family is lost. Okay, so the answer to this question is called as a true. Understood?
Uh,
Understand. So Igneous lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law, and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. It is true, right? It is true. Now, tell me the second one. Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. True or false?
he made it to safety after the tsunami. Sir, false.
Yeah, yes, it is false. So, what is the correct one?
Sir, he is also slept away.
Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. It is said as a false. So, Sanjeev also swept away.
Yes, sir.
Sure. It is stated he somehow managed to save himself. His wife, but then he heard cries and the guest away. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. Very good. So this one is indicating as the right, but they were both swept away. Very good. Good. Now, next stage. Yeah. Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. Yes, true or false?
Sir, true.
Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. What do you think that how it is true?
Sir, because when the wind had come, they were swept away in an island, and the relief helicopter
He
relieved
s-
them from the.
no, saw all those relief helicopter, but did they help? Now you can see
No,
that
sir.
here it is stated. means
Sir, but at
hold,
last they
wait,
were saved.
wait a minute. Look into it. It is stated holding on to a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead. 11 times, but they did not see her. Who did not see her? Relief helicopter did not see Meghna, right? That is why. And finally, what happened? Meghna was brought to the shore by a wave. So how did Meghna reach to the shore? Because of the heavy
By the
water,
way,
wave. And finally, she was found walking on the seashore in a ditch. It means she was saved, not because of the relief helicopter, but because of the heavy wave took her to the shore. Hmm.
that the sentence is false.
Yeah, the sentence is false. Right.
Okay.
Now, next one, uh, false. Now, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. Right. True or false? Alma's
Sir,
father,
true.
yes, true. How? See, he saw that how the seawater
Sir,
was going back
back.
and it would come quickly with a heavy force.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Next one, her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. True or false?
Sir, true.
Y- Yes, we see that what in the paragraph or in the story that her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to and they were calling to whom?
Save.
Huh? They were calling to Alma.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Always forgetting. Alma. Okay. So fine. So these are the questions answer. Right. Next class we'll go for the second unit. Next class
Yes,
we
sir.
will go for the second unit, uh, and we will discuss that. Next class I think day after tomorrow, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, so fine, no issue. I'll give you one of the tasks. So last class you did questions of pronoun, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So
Pronoun and chapter 1.
yeah, chapter one of what?
Sir, of literature.
Okay, fine. Today I'll give you the chapter means this particular part one's questions, right? Second is called as some of the grammatical question will be given to you. Okay, your job is to do them. Okay, okay. So fine. Uh, Let me keep this here. I'll share this one of the means what do we say? One of the grammar question that you will do in your home task. Okay, home task, right?
Yes,
And as well as I'll give you some of the writing section also that you will also do at home. Fine.